Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to study about the determinant of square matrix, after that trace of matrix and algebra of matrix. Now here determinant of square matrix. With every square matrix there exists a corresponding determinant of order same whose elements are same as those of given. It means that if A is a matrix and their element is -3, 4, 6, 2, 0, 8, 1, 5, -9, 3 cross 3, then there exists a determinant and that order is also same and elements are corresponding same here, because these value of determinant gives a fixed value and that used in calculate the inverse of matrix here. Now if value of determinant is a matrix, value of determinant is equal to 0, then the matrix A is called the singular matrix, and if the value of matrix A of determinant A does not equal to 0, then A is not non-singular matrix. If matrix A equal to 0, it means that determinant also be 0. But if the determinant is 0, then it cannot be said that matrix will be 0. Now we study trace of matrix here. Trace of matrix, TRACE, trace of matrix. Now here trace of matrix, the sum of element of a square matrix lying along the principal diagonal is called the trace of matrix. It means that we have a square matrix and principal diagonal, the upper element of left hand side to the lower element of right hand side, that is known as principal diagonals, and sum of the element of principal diagonal is known as trace of the element. Now here, call the trace of A, that is denoted by trace A. Thus if A equal to Aij, that is n cross n, and then the trace A is the sum of I equal to 1 AIIN, A11, A21, A31, A41, ANN. It means that sum of the element along the principal axis. Now property of this, let us suppose that matrix A, Aij, n cross n and b is also ij n cross n, and lambda is a b the scalar, so that trace lambda a equal to lambda trace a plus b is equal to trace a plus trace b, and trace ab is equal to trace ba. Now we see the sum problem here. Now find the value of now here problem question number 1. Let a plus 2 be equal to matrix 1 2 0 6 minus 3 3 minus 5 3 1, and 2a minus b equal to 2 minus 1 5 2 minus 1 6 0 1 2. Then find the trace a minus trace b. Now solution of first here given matrix a plus 2b equal to 1 2 0 6 minus 3 3 minus 5 3 1. Here this is the matrix, and as you know that trace of this is the sum of the element of principal diagonal. Here this and this is the principal diagonal, so that trace a plus b, trace a plus 2b equal to sum of this diagonal element 1 plus minus 3 plus 1, and trace a plus b equal to trace a plus trace b, so that it can be written as trace a plus 2 trace a plus 2 trace b equal to 1 1 2 and minus 3 and minus 1. This is relation first. And now second matrix 2a minus b equal to 2 2 0 2 2 0 2 2 0 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, and this is 1, and another 5 6 2 here. Now in this case trace a 2a minus b, trace here this can be written as trace such type of this TR, so that trace 2a minus b, in this case trace 2a minus b, this is also sum of the element of principal diagonal 2 plus minus 1 plus 2, and this can be written as 2 trace a minus trace b. Here this is equal to 2 to 4 minus 1, this is equal to 3. This is relation is equal to this. Now second relation, and by solving 1 and 2 we get trace a equal to, by solving 1 and 2 we get 1 and 2 get trace a equal to 1 and trace b equal to minus 1, so that We have to find out trace A minus trace B. Thus, trace A minus trace B. This is equal to trace A1 minus trace B equal to minus 1. This is equal to 2. This is our answer. Now, trace A minus trace B. Then find the trace A minus trace B equal to what? Trace A minus trace B equal to 2. Now, for the question number 2 here, if A equal to this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, B equal to this, then find D equal to this such that A plus B minus D equal to 0. Find D equal to this. Now, given that A plus B minus D equal to 0, this implies that D comes here, so that D equal to A plus B. D equal to A plus B. Now, and D putting the value of this PQ R S TU. This is D. And here A means 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This plus B equal to this minus 3, minus 2, 1, minus 5, 4, 3. 4, 3. Now, adding these corresponding elements here, so that 1 plus minus 3, 1 plus minus 3, 2 plus minus 2, 3 plus 1, 4 plus minus 5, 5 plus 4, 6 plus 3. Now, here 1 minus 3, that is equal to minus 2. 3, 1, 4, 4, 5, 4, 9. This is equal to 0. This equal to minus 1. This equal to 9. It means that minus 2, 4, 9, 0, minus 1 and 9. This is the value of this, and in this case A barabar this, B barabar this. Find D equal to this, and this value comes here, so that this is our answer. Now we see third problem. Now question number 3 here. Find the value of X for which matrix this is singular. It means that given that matrix is singular, given that matrix is singular, given that matrix is singular, it means that determinant of this is equal to 0, 3, 3, x plus 3, minus 1 plus x, minus 1, 2, x plus 2, and 2. Determinant of this is equal to 0. Now we solve it and find the value of x. That is our answer. This is first row, second row, third row, first column, second column, third column. So that this is the first row. R2 replaced by R1 replaced by R1 replaced by R1 minus R2, and R2 is replaced by R2 minus R3. We apply this so that R1 replaces R1 minus R2, R1 minus R2. This is equal to 0. This means here R1 minus plus and 1 cancel. This is equal to x. 2 minus this, here only 2 minus, so that here only minus x. This R2 replaced by R2 minus R3, R2 minus R3, 3 cancel, minus x. Here this minus this 0. This minus this, so that only remain x, and this is unchanged, x plus 3 minus 1 and 2. This is determinant equal to 0. Now in this case we apply C2 replaced by C2, C1, C2 replaced by C2 plus C3, C2 replaced by C2 plus C3, we get C2 replaced by C2 plus 3. It means that this is 0 minus x plus 3. C2, this is replaced by this and this, C2 plus C3 ऐड करेंगे तो 0 होगा, and this adding x, this adding 1, and this is unchanged minus x and 2. Now expanding this is equal to 0. Here plus minus plus, it means that this is a minus x. Deleting this and this, minus x plus 3 and 1. Equal to 0 as here given, so that this is minus x, this is minus x, minus x plus 3 equal to 0. This is such that. Now we take minus here and minus, this is equal to plus, so that now 1 minus comes here and this minus plus, so that x, and here x plus 3, this is equal to 0. Now x square plus 3x equal to 0. It means that this is x square plus 4x equal to 0. So 1x comes here, x square x plus 4 equal to 0. It means that x equal to 0 and x equal to minus 4. Now if put x equal to 0, so that this is 3, x equal to 0, minus 1, x equal to 0, 2. So that required value of x required value of x equal to -4. This is our answer. So the value of x equal to -4. This is our answer. Now we study about the algebra of mathematics. Now algebra of matrices. Here operations, addition, difference, subtraction, scalar multiplication and matrix multiplication here. First operations, in this case input, that is apply matrix A and matrix B, both are same order, m cross n, any order should be same. It means that if we add the matrix, then their order should be same, and here output we get matrix A plus B, that's order will be same, addition corresponding elements, and so that this, as we can take here a matrix A equal to A11, A12, A13, here A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. Here this is a matrix A11, first row, second row, third row, first column, second column, third column, and B is another matrix. Here if we take B11, B12, B13, B21, B22, B23, B31, B32, B33. This is a matrix here, and this is a matrix. If we have to calculate the A plus B, this is a 3 cross 3 matrix, and this is also 3 cross 3. If we calculate the matrix A plus B, here matrix A plus B here. Now elements should be corresponding added. A11, here A11 plus B11. This can be written as A11 plus B11, A11 plus B11, A12, B12, A12 plus B12, and A13, B13, A13 plus B13. Now this A21, B21, A21 plus B21, A22, B22, A22 plus B22, A23, B23, A23 plus B23. Now this A31, B31, A31 plus B31, A32, B32, A32, B32, and A33, B33, A33 plus B33. This is the determinants. Also, order will be same. It means that For operation additions, the element added corresponding and order of this is same. This hold the commutative law A11 plus B11 or B11 plus A11, so that it hold the commutative law, associative law, and also the identity zero inverse is also exist here. Now, second operation, difference. If we take the difference A minus B, so that this is the matrix A, this is the matrix B, their order must be same, and we subtract the corresponding elements, so that if you calculate the A minus B here in this case, if you calculate the A minus B, A minus B, now, so that this will be A11 minus B11, A12 minus B12, A13 minus B13. Similarly, A21 minus B21, A21 minus B21, A22 minus B22, A22 minus B22, A23 minus B23. Similarly, A31 minus B31, A32 minus B32, A33 minus B33. This is the matrix of order same, because and for this we subtract the corresponding elements. Now, in this case, scalar multiplication, A is the matrix of M cross N, and if we multiply any scalar, or that is any numbers, now K, so that Ka is also M cross N here. In this case, K of this, K added to this. Now, for example, if A is the matrix here, and we can Ka, if we A is the matrix and Ka, so that K multiply all the matrix, this will be K11, K. Now we write here, this can be written as K A11, K A12, K A13, now K A21, K A22, K A23, K A31, K A32, K A33. Now here, in the case of matrix here, in case of matrix, we multiply the scalar quantity to the all the elements of matrix, or we can take any scalar from all the elements. Now, multiplication here, in this case, A is the matrix M cross N, B is the matrix M cross N, so that AB is also M cross N, and in this case, only row by column method is valid, but where in the determinant we use the row by row method, row by column method, column by column method, and column by row method, whereas in the matrix, multiplication of two matrices, only row by column method valid in this case, and not commutative law hold because A cross B does not equal to B cross A. Associative law hold, distributive law hold, and identity also hold. Now we take the another problem here. Now here example first, if A equal to this, B equal to this, then show that A B equal to BA. Here matrix A 2 cross 2, B is 2 cross 2, so that AB is possible and BA is also possible. AB A is here 1 0 2 1 and B 5 4 and minus 5 1. In the matrix only row by column method, so that row by column, row 1 into 5 plus 0 into minus 5, 1 into 4 plus 0 into 1, row by column method 2 into 5 and plus 1 into minus 5, 2 into 4 into plus 1 into 1, so that this is a 5, this is a 5 to the 10 and minus 5 5, this 0 4 and 4 to the 8 1 9. BA is also possible in this case. Row by column method, row by column 5 into 1 plus 4 into 2, 5 into 0 plus 4 into 1, 5 into 1 plus 2 into 1, 1 into 2, and 5 into 0 plus 1 into 1 here, 4 to the 8, 8 5 13, minus 5 and 2 minus 3, this is 4 and this is 1, so that this is BA and this is AB does not equal proof. Now second, A equal to 1 2 and 3 4, A equal to 2 cross 2, this is 3 cross 2, A equal to 2 cross 2, B equal to 3 cross 2, 3 cross 2, so that this is not equal, so that AB is not possible, but B equal to 3 cross 2 and A equal to this is same, so that BA is possible, which order is 3 cross 2. Now B is here and A is here. Now row by column method. Now here the row by column method we apply this and we get our result. Now like and subscribe my videos and share with your friends. Thank you.